Humanity's history is a story of chasing light. Photovoltaics is the key zero-carbon energy by converting light directly into power. With the mission to enhance its efficiency, Powerway was founded to make this vision a global reality. As a globally leading provider of photovoltaic system solutions, Powerway has remained steadfast in its growth, collaborating with partners worldwide to drive the advancement of the solar industry. Over the past 15 years, we have worked hand in hand with our clients to overcome technical challenges and shared our expertise with the world. By aligning innovation with market needs, Powerway develops a full range of PV solutions, customized to boost efficiency and cut costs for any project. Our progress is driven by a relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation that expands technological boundaries. This commitment is reflected in our collaborations with third-party photovoltaic institutions and multiple authoritative international certifications. Our patents further cover enhancements in installation efficiency, structural performance, and system cost reduction. We subject new products to over 90 rigorous tests in R&D. Production includes 12 quality control steps for stringent oversight. Prior to shipment, every batch undergoes 100% mock assembly to ensure zero installation errors on site. We truly hear our clients' voices, guided by our core values of being result-driven and client-centered. We integrate into your needs, offering expert guidance for your power plant development. We collaborate closely with partners across cultures and languages, becoming your most trusted and dedicated ally. Embracing the sun, we build a zero-carbon future together. Worldwide, Powerway has delivered one project after another, supplying green energy for local development. Across continents, we deliver reliable solar solutions to illuminate communities everywhere. From our own practice to global projects, we take concrete steps to advance clean energy worldwide. We are proud to partner with you in building a bright, sustainable future. Our commitment is to innovate, build trust, and deepen our global presence for our clients. We invite you to build the next chapter of solar together. Here's to the next 15 years. The journey continues.